Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Skybox Chomik full guide. Start by checking your game version and required DLC, then locate the spawn area using community map coordinates. Collect necessary resources like bait, keys, and access tokens before attempting the encounter. Use stealth and timing to avoid patrols and save before you engage. If you need help, pause and replay steps until they work. First, gather prerequisites: required rank, tools, and a stable connection. Find the best spawn times by checking server reset and peak hours, then team up if the encounter benefits from backup. Practice the approach route in a private session to learn patrol patterns and mark safe spots for healing and retreats. Bring consumables for boosts and communicate clearly with teammates to coordinate timing and looting. Test your strategy and adapt based on failures. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so you won't miss more tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it offers clear, practical advice on saving and investing simply. It might free up cash for gear or gaming time. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Approach silently using terrain and shadows to reduce detection, and use distraction items to draw patrols away. Aim for headshots on vulnerable targets and conserve ammo by switching to melee when safe. Prioritize completing objectives fast, then extract through the nearest safe route, and watch for spawn changes that can trap you. After each run, review footage or notes to refine routes and improve timing for the next attempt consistently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.